ready?
Hi there nation, I'm Alessandro Gabbani from the Stetson Men's Soccer.
I think we're supposed to say all our names, right?
What?
Yep.
It's just...
Hi, my name is Charles.
No, wait.
What?
So I'm gonna say my...
And then we say, yeah, I'm Alessandro, and I say Gabriel, Toro, Charles.
Oh, that's me. Donate now and support your hats. Your hats.
All right, now.
Action.
I'm Lexi.
I'm Jessica. I'm Larissa. And we just want to thank.
Hi class.
Donate now and support your hats.
Okay. Let's do this.
Man!
Hey. I don't like hay.
Hey, what's up? I'm Stetson Cheer.
Hi. Hey. What's up?
Action.
What am I saying?
Thank you.
Your donations will help us to develop our skills so that we make
Go Hatters.
Go Hats!